Hey guys, so today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how I style my curly hair. So to start off, I use coconut milk curl care shampoo. And it's like $5 at Walgreens, Walmart. You can get it at any like drugstore. I like it because it doesn't give you that super dry feeling, stringy feeling. Afterwards, I put in Garnier's conditioner. I put a lot in my hair so I can detangle it. I use just a regular brush like this and just comb it out. Making sure I get every piece of my hair, you know, make sure it's all combed out. And then afterwards, I rinse it again. I rinse everything out because when I'm like kind of get rid of this pattern that it leaves me. Like when you comb out your hair with a comb, it leaves like a certain pattern that like when you blow dry it, it just looks frizzy. I go back in, apply a little more of this, and then that's when I actually style my curls. And I like to use the curl care conditioner. Put a little water in my hands because I can't do it dry. I finger rake my curls. And this is exactly why I wash my hair after I comb it out, like rinse it off again, because when you go back in and finger like break it out, it'll give you a different texture. Like it'll give me my natural curl texture. So this is what I like to do. So yeah, I use a little bit of Garnier just because it's heavy. That's like to start it off, and then I go in with this, a generous amount. This is like the most one that I use. And then afterwards, I go in with this. This is something new that I've tried. Not too sure how I feel about it. I haven't tried it without any other product. I just feel like it's a little too light. It's really like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really like a thin consistency. It feels kind of like watery almost. And like I said, my hair is really thick, so I don't think that would necessarily like work with my hair. When I get out the shower, I just put in a towel, I do my makeup, and then before I blow dry it, I like to put a little bit of edge control on the front of my hair because for some reason, the front of my hair just gets really dry. I just rake it back, and then now it's just pretty much ready to be blow dried. In the winter, I use olive oil's heat protecting serum because when I blow dry it, I just want it to be a little on the safe side. So I just use a little because pretty much all my products already have a little oil in it, and then I just scrunch that in. And as you can see, my curls are really defined already.
New pack, skating in, looking Lauren London. And check your homie doggy talking to his sleeve, you. Check your homie doggy talking to his sleeve too.
Smoking good, looking good. Girlfriend, what's the issue, huh? What? Got them hooked, take a look. A nigga never ever gonna miss you. Girl, get it understood, you looking good. Break it down now. Smoking good, looking good. Girlfriend, what's the issue, huh? Got them hooked, take a look. A nigga never ever gonna miss you. Girl, get it understood, you looking good. Mind of your body got an equal, girl. How your soul hangs low like the bottom of your red shoes. And I think it's Louboutin too. Ooh, reality is wisdom, perspective. I like horrors, I don't like horrors. Hindsight, oh my, I adore. For the time being, yes, I am yours. Trump my card, it's the ace of spades. And I hate to go away without getting this money.
So yeah, that's pretty much how I do my hair. So yeah guys, that's all for today. My very first YouTube video, so bear with me guys. This is just how I style my hair. If you guys like the video, comment below. Let me know things that I can use for improvement. I like feedback, so see you guys later. Thanks for watching again. Okay.